Unscrambling egg salad, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase egg salad. It may sound simple, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's dive in and understand what exactly egg salad means in English. Egg salad is a compound noun, meaning it is made up of two words that come together to create a new meaning. The first word, egg, is quite straightforward. It refers to the oval or round object laid by a female bird, reptile, fish, or invertebrate, usually containing a developing embryo. The second word, salad, is a type of dish typically made with mixed pieces of food, such as vegetables or fruits. When combined, egg salad refers to a dish made primarily of chopped hard-boiled eggs, and often includes mayonnaise, mustard, celery, or other ingredients mixed in. It's a popular food in many English-speaking countries, and it can be served on its own, in a sandwich, or as a side dish. Now that we know what egg salad is, let's look at how we can use it in a sentence. I made an egg salad for lunch. It was delicious and filling. You can find the egg salad next to the sandwiches in the grocery store. My grandmother has a secret ingredient she adds to her egg salad to make it extra tasty. In these examples, egg salad is used as a noun, and it is the main focus of the sentence. It's also interesting to note the cultural context of egg salad. In many English-speaking countries, egg salad is considered a comfort food and is often associated with picnics and family gatherings. It's a dish that can be made quickly and easily, making it a favorite for many. And that's a wrap on egg salad. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about what this phrase means and how you can use it in English. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences, and soon it'll be a natural part of your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.